Hey guys, what's up? So I ended up picking up the AirPods 2. I just got these like I think a day or two ago, and I haven't opened them. As you can see, the box is all sealed and I haven't peeked or know what these look like yet, so I'm gonna open them up with you guys. And I also have my old AirPods here. I'm gonna take it out of this little case and compare the two and show you what they look like. But I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. And if you guys see my nails are like chipped, don't mind them. I've been doing a lot of work around the house this week. I've been doing a lot of spring cleaning, so yeah, my nails are like destroyed. I'm gonna get them done tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna open the box up. And this is how they come packaged. That's really cool. They kind of put this plastic protectant, like a seal kind of. It's just holding the box in place so they're not being like tossed around inside the box. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this box. And this is what the box looks like. So this one does come with the wireless charging case and both AirPods. They also have the case on its own. I think it's around $80 just for the case, which to me, I don't mind plugging it in this way, or if you don't have AirPods and you're getting them for the first time, then it's good to get this one because it already comes with the wireless charging case. So I'm going to open up the little seal. Let me check for a tab. There's no tabs on here. I have this little X-Acto blade. There we go. Designed by Apple in California, and this is just like standard stuff that comes with like the little booklet that comes with iPhones and with the AirPods. It just has the directions on how to use them, and I heard with these you can just say hey Siri and she'll come up. With the old AirPods, you would have to kind of tap on the side. And let's see. And yeah, it just says connect, how to connect them and everything. Some more instructions. And this is what the AirPods look like. So right away I can see the little light that indicates whether it's charging or not. It is right here on the front. And the old ones have it on the inside right here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like right there. I'm gonna peel the plastic off. There we go. And it looks pretty similar to the old AirPods. I'm gonna take this little rubber protectant thing off. If you guys like this to protect your little iPod, oh my god, your AirPod case, it's by Alago, and I got this on Amazon for about like $7, and it kept my AirPods looking brand new. I have to like take off all this dust and gunk off of it, but my AirPods look brand new still. There's not even a scratch on this because I always put the little like silicone protector. So I'm gonna show you these side by side so you can see. I think they're identical. I think this one's, let me see. No, they look the same size and the same weight. This is what they look like side by side underneath. So this one does have wireless charging, which means you can just put it on your wireless charger that you have for like your iPhone or whatever, and it charges it up. I think also there's talks about the power mat where you can charge your phone, AirPods, and your watch at the same time, but I still haven't really heard anything about that, so I don't know when they're gonna come out with that. But yeah, they're pretty much the same size, and like I said, the little light indicating if it's charged or not is here, and the old ones have it on the inside. So I'm gonna take these out. This is what the inside looks like, just like the old ones. And the little green light is on now. I don't know if you can see it there. It's kind of hard with my lighting, but the little green light turns on. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna take one of my old ones out and compare it in size. Taking the left side AirPod out. So as you can see, they look identical. So they're the same size. Oops, almost dropped it. Yeah, they're the same size and they look identical to each other. So yeah, they're the same exact one. Let me not mix these up. I'm gonna put the old one away. So these are very similar to the old AirPods, and there's just a few different things. Like I said, if you put them in your ear and you say, "Hey Siri," she'll come up. With the old ones, you can't do that. And also, if you put these AirPods, like say your AirPods are dead, but the charging case still has like some battery in it, then you just pop these in and you put them in for 15 minutes and you get like 3 hours of charge time, which is really cool. I know that my Beats headphones do that as well. And another thing, if you're gonna sync your AirPods to different devices, it does it like a lot more quicker and easier. It just connects to them a lot faster. So this is the pricing on the AirPods. The wireless charging case is $79 alone, and that's just for the case, not the AirPods. The AirPods with the charging case, which are like the ones that I originally have, are $159, and then the AirPods with wireless charging case, which are these, are $199. So yeah, that's pretty much what I know as far as the new AirPods go. I'm sure there's a couple more features that I'm missing, but looks wise, they do look very similar to the old AirPods. They're almost identical, but like I said, there's just a few differences. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna end up keeping these, just because my AirPods are still very new and I take really good care of them, but I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna charge this little case and test them out and see if I see a huge difference, and if I don't, then I might return them. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, this is what the new AirPods look like. I did see a couple like rumors online that they were gonna come out with like black ones, but they didn't. So I don't know if they're gonna do that down the line or if it's always just gonna be this color, which I actually prefer the white because I think it just looks very clean and pretty, and I just like white everything. So this is pretty much what the new AirPods look like. Let me know if you guys have the original AirPods, if you're gonna upgrade to these, or you don't have AirPods and you're gonna pick these up. I think it's great if you don't have them and you wanna pick some up. This comes with everything, but yeah, these are the new AirPods. So that's all for the unboxing, but I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll talk to you guys soon.